How we doing? I'm Mike with Autometer here at the 2015 SEMA show, and I'd like to talk to you about our new air drive gauges. So what we've got here is two different designs. You've got a silver design and a black design, and these gauges are actually controlled through the dongle here. So this is going to plug into your OBD2 port. You can run two dedicated sensors, and so you can run everything off OBD2, or if you wanted to have something that wasn't on the CAN bus, you could actually add that to it. So if your vehicle doesn't have a pyrometer or boost gauge, you can actually add that through a dedicated sensor. You can actually customize the lighting through 256 different color options here. So you can see our honeycomb option, and you can pick and choose exactly what color you want. So we can change that live on the fly to whatever color you want to choose there. You can change the brightness, so we can bring the brightness down to a dimmer level, so you can make it basically a factory match type setup, or make it super bright so you can see it at a retina searing level there. So all of these gauges, we're going to have pretty much a standard set available: tachometer, air fuel ratio, water temp, oil pressure, etc. So we'll have a full line available in the black and the silver styles. You'll have warnings available and everything, peak recall functions, as well as a pro control feature. So you'll actually be able to make the gauge control a secondary function for those gauges. So if you have your water temperature gets too hot, you can have it turn on a fan, have it shut off at a certain point. Same with goes for boost gauge can kick in meth injection, or really whatever you need it to do there. So that's the air drive system from Autometer. Expect to see that here spring of 2016. Another new product from Autometer here at the 2015 SEMA show is the DashLink. The DashLink is really the next step in gauges from Autometer. So Autometer's been known for physical gauges for as long as we've been around, but now we're actually getting into more virtual gauges. So what you see here is basically a 6-gauge setup. You can customize this screen and all the different colors on the screen. You can program a whole different set of screens. You can have multiple layouts to show different things here. So if you wanted a large tach, large boost gauge, or whatever it is that you want to have there, you can set that up. And then you can also set your colors right on the fly, so you just fly through the screens here. So we had it white before, now we're going to change it. So now the gauge is going to be blue. We hit OK, we go back, and then there we have a blue gauge. So these are OBD2, so basically you just plug in the dongle that you see here, and the gauges allow you to do warnings, peak recall, so anything that our highest end Autometer gauges will be able to do, you can do that with. And you can add dedicated sensors if there's something that's not available on the CAN bus, and you can pretty much monitor whatever it is that you want to do there. And the DashLink from Autometer will be available in late 2015.